So now we come to the pre-talk and the basic outline of it. The main thing with the pre-talk is to dispel myths, and also what we really want to do is we want to get the smoker into seeing themselves as someone with a habit, a problem that can be solved, and hypnosis is excellent for this, rather than an addict. Now, I'm not here to say whether smoking is an addiction or not an addiction, but you see, the addict sees themselves as someone stuck on something and dependent on something from outside, and that's very disempowering. However, if it's about a habit and you can go in and do it and change it, then that's much more empowering and it's much more doable. And really, when you consider the addiction between hard drugs and cigarettes and withdrawal and something like that, it really is about breaking the habit. And by getting your client around to do this, they can do it much more easily and you can be much more successful. And remember, their success is your success. One of the other things we'll be doing is messing up the thinking that's around about smoking to relax and smoking to concentrate and a whole lot of things like that, because that really is what Zig Ziglar used to call stinking thinking. So a couple of things need to be sorted out about this and willpower.